Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Google has released the third beta of Android P, which is supposed to be a near final look at the OS before it's completed later this year. The new Android P Beta 3 update brings a few minor changes to the overall UI. The pill slider now uses the whole length of the nav bar, and the apps in the overview page appear to be bigger than before. Almost all the icons now feature an outline structure for a more cleaner look. Also, Android P Beta 3 gives you a dedicated option to change your theme in the display settings. Keep checking our app to see everything new in Android P Beta 3 as we keep digging out the best features.